The question says that we need to find the absolute maximum value and the absolute minimum value for the functions given below in the interval. As I can see, the function here fx is sin x plus cos x, where x belongs to 0 to pi. Now, for solving this, the first thing that we do, let's say, for example, if I write down the function which is sin x plus cos x. First, we'll find its derivative, that is f dash x. Clearly, f dash x sin x derivative is cos x, and cos x derivative is minus sin x. And for maxima or minima, right, f dash x should be equated with 0. Now, equating f dash x with 0, like if I equate here f dash x, which is cos x minus sin x, equating with 0, we get sin x is equal to cos x, that is tan x is equal to 0. Further, we know that tan x is equal to not 0, this is 1. This tan x is equal to 1. So tan x is equal to 1 when x is equal to pi by 4. And we can see this pi by 4 belongs to this interval 0 to pi. Right? The x belongs to pi by 4, which belongs to 0 to pi, by 0 to pi. Now, in order to find out the maximum value, like we have to get the absolute maximum or the absolute minimum value. So we are not going to check whether this is the point of maxima or minima. Irrespective, this is a critical point for maximum value or the critical point for the minimum value. We don't have to figure out. Now we have to among this interval, within this interval, what is the maximum value? For that, we'll be finding, say, f0. I'll be finding f0. f0 is sine 0 from here. Sine 0 plus cos 0. Sine 0 is 0, cos 0 is 1, so we get 1. Now, in the next part, we'll get f pi by 4. At pi by 4, we'll get sine pi by 4 plus cos pi by 4. This is going to give you 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2, which is equal to root 2. And then we'll also be finding its value at f pi. So f pi is what? Sine pi plus cos pi. Sine pi, as you know that this is minus 1, 0. So sine at this pi, sine is 0, and cos is minus 1. So we get minus 1. So from here, we can conclude that the absolute maximum value among these three, you can see that the maximum is this, which is 1.414 approximately, and the minimum is minus 1. You can see that. So we'll say that the absolute maximum value is root 2, and the absolute minimum value is minus 1.